19. Hula. First personal foul for number 9.
Kobe Valencia. Kobe Valencia now. Pass to Bulak sa corner. Bulak for 3. Samones. Pass to Pendon. To Mirabel. Exit out to Samones. Asa Suman, sorry. Wala. Valencia. Pass to Mandresa, fake. Nagdadalawang isip pa si Kobe. Si Mandresa, sorry. John Coy Cabahog from downtown. Wala. Rebound Pendon. Sa Suman. So sayawan ng depensa dito ni Mandresa. Sa Suman, nakalusot.
Substitution.
Montalvo. Wala. Offensive rebound by Sasuman. Sasuman inside outside. Pass to Samones. Turn around. Samones wala. Montalvo. Montalvo pa rin. To Sasuman. Saga. Nakuha ni Kobe. Valencia now. Kobe. Pasok pa Mandresa. What a nice block. Panase. Montalvo. Traveling violation. Kobe. Valencia, pass to Papart. Mandresa. Kicks it out to Bulak. 4-3. Wala. Sasuman. Pass break. To Samones. 2 points. Patay. Tinamaan doon ang videographer.
Technical foul number 7. For second technical foul, ultimately for unsportsmanlike behavior. Seconds remaining time in the third quarter.
1 point, Samones. Last 5 seconds. Kobe kicks it out to Papart Manresa. Bam! End of the third quarter, score 58-75 in favor of CM Farm Basketball. Ganda ng pasa ni Kobe Palencia dito kay Court Vision. Ay! Papart Manresa.
Time for last man, final quarter. Our score, Team Ogi 58, Team Hago 79.
Morning mo, Lods. Nahurot na. Morning mo, ha. Back to the ball game for the last and final quarter. Score 58-75. AJ Agbong. Kobe Palencia. Wala.
Team Ogi Basketball.
Suman, pass to Samones. To Montalvo. Montalvo, may foul.
Number 24, Odessa. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Samones. Pass to Montalvo. Behind the back, Montalvo. Ginamitan ng katawan dun. Si Bulak. Box shot, 2 points. Panase, 2 points. Panase. Kobe. AJ Agbong for 3. Wala. Kasuman, pass break. Samones, 2 points. Kobe Palencia. Guarded by Sasuman. Pass to Ted Saga. Bank shot. In and out. Sasuman with a rebound. Samones. Montalvo. Back to Samones. 10 seconds to shoot. Sasuman. Sasuman. Block. Denied by AJ Agbong. Papart Manresa. Bounce pass to Ted Saga. Traveling ang itinawag. Maalat-alat dito si Ted Saga. Sasuman. In the legs. Guarded by Palencia. Samones. Steal by Bunbulak. Untik pang maagaw doon ni Montalvo. Kobe Palencia. Side step. Wala. Montalvo. Cross. May pasabit doon si Montalvo.
Number 14, Agbong. Second personal foul. Second foul.
Remaining time, last 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 75-62 in favor of CM Farm Basketball. 1 point, Montalvo. Kobe. Pass to Mandresa. Saga to Bunbula, attempt for 3. Pass to Kobe. Palencia nakalusot. May foul. Tinamaan ang mukha doon ni Kobe Palencia.
Third personal foul. 4 minutes. First team foul.
One point, Kobe Palencia. Sa Suman, guarded by Palencia. Pass to Samones. To Panase. Ayan na naman. Aras by Bunbulak. Panase. Kicks it out sa Suman. Out of bounds. Kobe Palencia now. Pasa kay AJ Agbong. Tubun Bulak. Attempt for 3. Bulak. Tinuluyan ni Bunbulak. Wala. Montalvo. Rebound. Montalvo nagmamadali sa buhay.
Foul. Mandresa. Third personal foul. Third team fouls.
Montalvo. Guarded by Mandresa. Kobe Palencia. Last 6 minutes and 20 seconds. For the last and final quarter score, 76-63. Apart Mandresa now. Tapos kay Saga. Gandang pasahan dito ng CM Farm. At a nice pass by Bunbulak. Sa Suman. May foul.
Timeout for Team Oakland Merchandising.
Timeout. Timo King.
Number 19. Second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Reminder for Team Oakland, you still have 1 timeout and 2 for Bago, Team CM Farm. Five minutes and 54 seconds for the fourth quarter.
1 point. Dupa. Valencia. What a pass to AJ Agbong. Sayang yon. Pantin. Between the legs. Pass to Sasuman. Dumidiskarte dito. Kicks it out. To Samones. Montalvo. Open sa 3 points. Short. Out of bounds. Same ball.
3.9 seconds. Seconds per shot.
Sasuman. Samones for 3. Bang! Baba dito sa 11 kalamangan ng CM Farms. 67-78. Bunbulak. Pass to AJ Agbong. Extra pass to Ted Saga. Umike. Block! Montalvo behind the back. Montalvo driving.
Number 24. Adresa. Fourth personal foul. Team penalty.
One point Montalvo. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. JB Mandilia. Jintoy. Kabahog to AJ Agbong. 2 points. Basket and 1. Gandang ikot ni AJ Agbong.
Basket count. Foul number 15. Dupa. First personal foul. Second team foul.
I'd like to call the attention of the owner of the vehicle.
Sasuman. Pass to Samones. To Montalvo. Montalvo. Tapi ka ng rebound. Mingito. Rebound. JB Mandilia. Jimmy Harris, pass to Jancoy Kabahog. 10 seconds to shoot. Kabahog! Rapid violation.
Substitution. Roman Season. Roman Ball.
Samones. Sasuman. Tumawag ng screen dito si Sasuman. 12 seconds to shoot. Montalvo. Ross. Montalvo. Step back. Wala. Dupa. Rebound. Kicks it out to Pantin. Guarded by Mijares. Dupa now. 5 seconds to shoot. Check by Mingito. Easy basket. 2 points. Mingito. Sasuman now. Samones. Sasuman. Let's have rebound. May foul.
Foul. Kabaho.
One point Samones. JB, pass to Minguito. To John Coy Cabahog. To Jintoy. 10 seconds to shoot. Mijares dumidiskarte sa buhay. Nabitawan yan. Samones. Pantin. Wala. JB Mantilia, open na si Minguito. And in out. Samones, umukol lang 3 points. Wala. Rebound John Coy Cabahog. JB Mantilia. Last 2 minutes. Offensive foul ang itinawag.
Third. Lawrence, third personal foul.
Sasuman. Sasuman, pull up J, 2 points, Sasuman. Mantilia, pass to Jintoy. Kicks it out to Mantilia, extra pass to Vincent Minguito. Driving, Minguito, binitawan na lang. Tikman yung maago ni Mantilia, Sasuman, dumidiskarte. What a shot by Sasuman! Mantilia to Minguito. Pasa kay John Court. May foul.
Foul, Samones. Fourth personal foul. Third team foul.
One point, Cabahog. Sasuman. Aras by Mantilia. My foul, holding foul, wearing jersey number 11. Mantilia. That's 47 seconds.
Foul number 11. Mantilia. There's the first one foul. Team penalty.
2 throws para kay Sasuman. Supply ang unang tira. One point sa Suman. Dul Karot. Last 40 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot Mantilia. Mantilia. JB, teardrop, wala. Sasuman. 2 points, Sasuman. Shot clock is dead, 15 seconds. Congratulations! Unang panalo dito sa Iloilo. CM Farm versus King winner. CM Farm. Final score 85-79.
Team CM Farm Basketball, WC 85 winner.
Shoutout sa inyo ang tanan. Salamat kayo sa mga nagtanaw sa tuwang live. O sa suportahan ninyo. Ugma! Last game. CM Farm Japon. Same venue. Daghang kayo salamat. Siyempre sa muang Big Boss, Madam Virgie Aliones and Boss Mario Bantilan. And siyempre shoutout sa inyo ang tanan sa mga nagsuporta sa Court Vision, Manuno Facial and CM Farm Basketball. Shoutout sa inyo ang tanan. Dili na tamo maisa-isa. Daghang kayo salamat pero nabasa na ko ang inyong mga comment. Salamat kayo. Shoutout sa ako ang palangga diha. Zeb de la Tumaria, I love you. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
CM Farm and okay, Photoland to please stay for our parade of players. Also to the respective teams, please prepare your uniforms for our parade players. Team Politic, RBF, Team Double K, okay, Photoland, Team Kanima, and CM Farm. I'd like to pitch the owner and driver of plate number FAS3471, plate number DAD9674, Yaris White, and Astro 7, plate number 2262288. Please proceed with the parking area because your vehicles are obstructing the way. Later on the game, Jim Mihalas of CM Farm.
Ludi, pangayo ang stats. May stats dito, pangayo ka. Jim Mihalas ba stats? Bukas. Dito.
Requesting all teams to please proceed here at the entrance area to start our parade of players.
Alright, so once again, we would like to thank our sponsors, Raker, Technoglobal Incorporated, Ground Pipes, Uswag Logo, OSP, SMDC, Ecotech, Municipality of Korea, headed by Mayor Luigi Goriceta,
CMR, Team Oking Pututan, please proceed here for our parade players, teams. Also, I'd like to announce, of course, we have for sale merch. We have t-shirt, the Battle of Champions, worth 400 pesos. If you want to purchase, just go to our ticketing booth. We also have a mug, so that if you want to sign with your favorite players, you can do so. And of course, tickets for tomorrow is also available in our ticket booth. On April 29 to May 4, tickets for Pasig City Arena is also available at our ticket booth.
Alright, so here are where you can purchase the tickets. So if my friends come home would like to watch the rest of the games until May 4, you can purchase the tickets at Revilla Municipal Hall for line 2
explain nila, boss. Dito na, dito.
Alright. Requesting all players and teams to be here at our entrance area.
Dito.
Once again, and players to please proceed here at our entrance area. Our arrangement are as follows. First, Team CFR Tagum City. Second, Team Khalifa Tacloban.
Team RKF Iloilo, Team Oking Iloilo, Team Paulus at Iloilo, and the last will be Team AA Iloilo.
Alright. Is everyone ready? Do you have a music? Do you have a music? Operator, music operator. Wala.
Sila re-explain na nila, boss.
Okay lang makanta ako.
Lude. Sila re-explain na nila, boss.
Alright. Once again, thank you so much to our makers. But of course, the municipality of Padilla, headed by Mayor Luigi Pagkaseta, for letting us use the, what is it called, gymnasium. Alright, teams, players, are you ready?
Sinahan na kanawa na ito ilahang kuhan ba? Yung sana ilahang page.
Sila lagi.
And then, ulit ito sa mga pagpapawang program, nagkaliwan kita sa atin.
Matiin po kita sa atin.
Gusto nyo ng prayer? Hindi mo yung sa atin. Alright. Once again, our arrangement are as follows. Team CFR Tagum City, Team Khalifa Tacloban, Team RKF Iloilo.
Team Oking Iloilo, Team Paulus at Iloilo, and
Salamat.
to grace this program, we would like to call and welcome to give an opening message. SB. Dahil ang gaglagan pa ito na walang doon ng SB member. So grace and open the program. Let's give it up. Palakpakan naman kay SB Maloy Herrada. Palakpakan kita. Nakipon si SB.
Thank you, sir. Nakipon ako pinapo. On behalf sa ato namin ng Mayor Luigi Rosetta and to all the visitors, and then sa Reserve Tio, no? To bring sa nato ng mga players din sa Battle of Champions. We are welcome here. Enjoy ka po din. Maka-i-activate din maka-i-chindi nung tatagulugin ko na lang. Welcome kayo dito sa Pavia. Mag-enjoy kayo and mag-relax. Lahat sa mga sponsors and sa nabili ng ticket ito, this is the first time na nangyari dito sa amin sa Bayan ng Pavia. And thank you and God bless and advance happy fiesta.
Alright, thank you so much, SB Hirata, for the warm welcome. So once again, we'd like to thank the municipality of Pavia for allowing us here. It is such an honor. Alright, so next is we will have our oath of sportsmanship. And we'd like to call on Ken Montalvo to lead our oath of sportsmanship. Yeah, we'd like to call Mr. Ken Montalvo to lead our oath of sportsmanship.
Okay, ang picturean.
Instead of Ken Montalvo, let's call Joshua Swatiling to lead our sportsmanship. Kevin ka lang po naman. Sige na, this is mawala yan ang mga Ilonggo na mga players. So, let's just lead the open sportsmanship as fellow players. No? So let's just lead this. We request everyone to please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Alright, for those who want a copy, I state your name of your team name and a participant of the Ilonggo Basketball League Battle of the Champions Season 1 do hereby solemnly swear and agree to abide, adhere and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this sports competition. As a competitor in the games, I do hereby solemnly swear and agree to play the highest forms and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter whether I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play the games in this honorable in words, and in deeds. So help me God. All right, let's give ourselves a round of applause.
All right, so we'll have our drum ball ceremony.
All right, jump ball ceremony. All right. Requesting our officials, referees, or around the referees. Let's just proceed now. Okay, it's okay. So to finally close, and of course, to wrap it up for our second game, may we call on our commissioner of this game, Battle of the Champions in Local Basketball League. Let's give a round of applause to Mr. Ronaldo Bonana. Good afternoon, Pavia. Right, so hindi na magugay. Kung ipansin nyo, excited na witness na itong second game. But in behalf of ISEP, or Ilocos Sports and Events Management Services, RKF Construction, thank you for gracing our tournament, Battle of the Champions Season 1. Gusto na ako pasalamatan kaya inyong sapatan na rin. May ginabulingan kita ng mga beneficiaries for Pamilya, LGBTQ community, and for Pasig City, it's Boy Scout of the Philippines. So, thank you so much, and we look forward that you will also join us sa mga remaining days. 28, delivery ako sa Pamilya, 29 to May 4 sa Pasig City. So, in that note, I would like to declare and officially open Battle of the Champions Season 1.
All right, thank you so